Welcome to Good Glimpse channel. Tana is an innovative outliner and knowledge management tool that treats every line of text as a node. This structure is what allows for powerful organization and retrieval. For a beginner, the core concepts to master are nodes, super tags, fields, and such nodes. Now let's get to the basic nodes and capture. Every idea, note, or item you write in Tana is a node. To create an item, simply start typing. You can create an indented hierarchy by hitting tab to make a child node and shift tab to outdent it. This simple outline structure forms the basis of all your nodes. Tana's greatest strength is its ability to let you capture information spontaneously, knowing that its advanced features will later organize it for you. We also have structuring information with super tags. Super tags are how you give structure and context to your nodes. They are essentially like adding a type to an object. You apply a super tag to any node by typing hash followed by the tag name. For example, hash task or hash book. This instantly turns the node into a structured item. A configured super tag can have fields which are specific pieces of information attached to the node, like a due date or status for a hash task. You create a field by indenting a node and starting it with right arrow. For instance, under a hash task node, you could have a right arrow due date. Super tags are what turns a simple note into a powerful, structured piece of data. We also have retrieving information and with such nodes. The real magic of Tana lies in its ability to retrieve your structured nodes from anywhere in your workspace using such nodes. A search node is a live query that acts like a dynamic portal, constantly pulling in all nodes that match a specific criteria regardless of where they were originally created. To make a simple search node, you can type / on an empty line and select such node, then specify your query such as with tag hash task and not done. This will generate a simple up-to-date list of all your incomplete tasks. You can also view the results of this search as a simple list or a card view that is similar to a Kanban board to manage your workflow, all without needing to explicitly create a spreadsheet style table. We also have task management flow. To set up a simple task management system without a table view, you'd first create and configure a hash to do super tag. Give these super tag fields like right arrow due date and right arrow status with options like inbox, doing, done. When you capture a task anywhere in Tana, you simply tag it hash to do on a dedicated task dashboard node. You would then place multiple such nodes. For example, one such node would query for all hash to do nodes where status is inbox, and another would query for all hash to do nodes where status is doing. When you view these as cards and group them by status, you can simply drag a task card from one column to another to update its status, which is a powerful non-tabular way to manage your work. This combination of structured capture, that is super tags, and dynamic retrieval, such nodes, is the foundation of using Tana effectively. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.